CMAC, leading manufacturer and distributor of high-frequency wood joining machines in Vietnam. After more than 2 decades of operation and development, our high-frequency wood joiners have been present throughout Vietnam and the world. Each machine is manufactured according to strict processes. The machine frame is firmly built, ensuring absolute stability in the harshest production environments. We only use components that meet international standards from reputable suppliers, delivering optimal performance and outstanding quality. That is the core value of CMAC, always putting quality and reputation first. Before leaving the factory, each machine must undergo continuous performance testing lasting many hours. Machines are shipped directly from the factory to customers after passing rigorous testing. With enthusiasm in each product, the output quality has been verified. CMAC's high-frequency wood joining machine has conquered potential markets in Asia. Finished wood products meet the most stringent standards of demanding markets such as the United States and Europe. Let CMAC become your strategic partner. Improve the quality of composite wood products and assert your position today. Please contact us to receive in-depth advice on solutions.